we go. Where's the left? Here, Floyd. In here, 352. That one, baby. Look the stairs. Come here, come here. Come here. You're okay? Carry me, Daddy. Daddy, carry me. Carry me, Daddy. Daddy, carry me. Here is the room tour for Floyd. Floyd, have a look at bed. You want to
Bring any glasses?
in that bag? Floyd, show me the bathroom. Come here. Come here, we'll see the bathroom. Wow, this is Floyd's shower. And that's a toilet of Floyd. Floyd go into the bath. And here's the sink. So how is it? Being nosy. So what is that? Check everything. Everything is alright. No any complaint. In here, Floyd. Here, come here. Go inside. Inside. There. Go inside. Oh. So how is it? You pay there tonight. Okay. Okay. So get out now. Out. So we will see where's Daddy. Check the bags. So where is your water? Floyd, everything okay? Have a look here. We will see the window. Beautiful window. Good for the dog. How is the window? It's just good size for you. It's boring. And this is the size of the room ni Floyd. So, this is Floyd bag. I put already outside your nappy, sorry, wipes, and it's your dry foods, okay? And we will see what is inside. Floyd water. And Floyd gravy bites. Wow! If you behave, you're having that. Floyd, a refreshener if she tae. Wait! And Floyd, wow! Something in the bag. Still not happy. That one? Wow! That's your dog food. That one. What more? That one. And we have this in case. And the newspaper that Floyd na used to eat to pee. And have a look. Wow! Everything. And Floyd towel. So, how is it, Floyd? Ayan guys, si Floyd nag-hotel ng 3 araw. Diba, Floyd? Pero ang kulit niya, pag may naririnig siyang ingay, tumatahol siya, so nakakapuyat. This hotel is located in Hamilton and Edinburgh. So, luwag niya. Luwag. Sobrang luwag. At friendly, pet friendly. Sobrang yung aso. Pero sana wag katulad nitong Floyd na to na alam mo siya yung may-ari ng lugar. Ayaw niya nang may taong ibang pagala-gala. So, ang kulit niya. Pag mayroon siyang naririnig sa gabi, natahol din. So, nakakapuyat. So, babalik na kami sa room. Time for coffee. Hindi rin kami ops. Come here. No! No. Come on. Don't be naughty. No. Come on. Stop. No walking for you later. So, ayan si Floyd. Makulit. The rest of the day. Good morning. What time the check out? About 11. Thank you. Yan. Here. So, Naka-stay kami sa third floor. Ang makulit na aso na to. Oh, kaya na. Alam niya na, di ba? Tutiyari ang aso. Alam niya na. Pag bumukas na, alam niya na. Where are we going? Stay there. Sit down. Munti ka ha. Ba't ka natahol? So, ayan kami. Ayan na Floyd, malapit na. So, siya yan ang asaw. Floyd, third floor na daw. Oh, open door. Come on. So, susundan lang natin ito. Hindi mo yung chips, huwag kang ano yan. Hindi mo kung ano din. There it is. Wait, so where we are? Where we are? Where our door? Wait, where's our door? Here? Here. Ayan na po. Pumasok na po siya. Come here. Remove your collar first. No, hindi pala pwedeng removein yung collar niya kasi nababala. Manhid yung kamay ko. Hindi ko matanggal manhid yung kabilang kamay. That's good. Ayan ang aming kwarto. Makalat. Bathroom na makalat. My coffee's ready? Brown sugar please too. Yeah, please. Yung aking roommate naggagawa na ng kape. Ganyan lang ka ang aming room kakalat. Diba? Bawal pumasok yung staff dito. So, papasok lang sila pag check out na. We can ask fresh beddings or towels pero kami na maglalagay. So, for health and safety na rin siguro yung para sa COVID. Malinis naman siya. Hindi na naman ang gumamit pa yung towel. Sinasabi nila sa labas yung fresh and then coffee, sugar, ganyan. So, everything is alright. Hoy! Ano na? Time to go home? You want to go home now? Yeah? Floyd, come here. You want to go home? Did you enjoy your night, Floyd? If you ask me, no. Daddy, did you enjoy your 2 nights? I'm telling you, Floyd, I'm not. Kasi ang ingay mo. Yes.
Going down.
Where are we going?
Ground floor. Doors opening.
No, tiga. Ayun si Floyd naka-hotel. Ba't sungit? Yung nag-check out inaaway. Ano, ito ang may-ari ng hotel.